These guys are just playing with each other. We can sail straight at it, right? This is going to be a port rounding, right? You would have thought.
Yeah.
Right there, look. Pull it from the block. No, look.
Talk to us about the Round the Rock race on Sunday. Incident packed, to say the least.
Yeah, it was a tough race. I didn't take part myself, but the wind was extremely strong, and in fact, it got so strong that it became dangerous for the crews, and eventually they had to cancel it, unfortunately. But I think those attempted to get round the rock and had a pretty hairy time, both there and then they had to sort of come back again to get back home. So the cancellation was the right decision, but it was disappointing. But I think they had fun getting around the rock anyway.